Imagine a van that is vibrant as a summer festival and as practical as your favorite toolbox. Meet the 2025 Dacia Dokker in bright rainbow, hiding a secret that can make it the ultimate budget adventure machine. Stay tuned, because you won't believe what's coming at the end of this video. Welcome to the channel where we celebrate everything that moves, from rugged SUVs to clever camper vans. And today, we're diving into the 2025 Dacia Dokker, dressed in a show-stopping bright rainbow finish. Dacia has always been a king of value, delivering no-nonsense vehicles that punch way above their price tag. The Dokker, a compact van with a cult following, is back for 2025 with a bold new look, updated tech, and a versatility that makes it a dream for families, small businesses, and van life enthusiasts alike. Let's explore why this rainbow-hued hero is stealing the spotlight. First, that bright rainbow paint. It's not just a color, it's a mood. This iridescent, multi-hued finish shifts under the light, blending greens, blues, and purples in a way that makes every parking lot feel like a car show. Paired with a modernized front grille, sleek LED headlights, and rugged bumpers, the 2025 Dokker looks fresher than ever. At 4.5 meters long, it's slightly stretched from its predecessor, offering a touch more presence while remaining nimble enough for city streets. Sliding side doors, standard on both sides, make access a breeze, whether you're loading cargo or passengers. Under the hood, the Dokker keeps things simple yet effective. The base engine is a 1.3-liter TCE petrol turbo, available in 102 or 131 horsepower variants, delivering peppy performance and fuel efficiency around 6 liters per 100 kilometers. Diesel fans get a 1.5-liter blue DCI with 95 horsepower, sipping just 4.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Perfect for long hauls. For the eco-minded, there's an ECOG variant running on LPG, earning an ECO badge for low-emission zones. All engines come with a 6-speed manual, though a smooth automatic is optional. The Dokker's front-wheel drive setup and high-energy suspension handle rough roads with ease, making it a trusty companion for urban or rural adventures. Inside, the Dokker is a masterclass in practicality. The passenger version seats 5 comfortably, with an 800-liter boot that expands to a massive 3,000 liters when the rear seats are folded or removed. The van variant pushes at the 3,900 liters with a foldable front passenger seat, rivaling much pricier competitors like the Renault Kangoo or VW Caddy. The cabin feels surprisingly modern, with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Wi-Fi hotspot. Materials are basic but durable, and clever touches like a high-mounted shelf and multiple storage cubbies keep things organized. The stepway trim adds flair with sporty seats and extra kit, like rear parking sensors and a camera. For camper enthusiasts, the Dokker's potential is unmatched at this price point. The camperized conversion, available for around €19,995, transforms it into a mini motorhome with a fold-out bed, 1.9 by 1.1 meters, a 25-liter water tank, a dual-burner stove, a sink, and a 30-liter fridge. A portable chemical toilet and stationary heater make off-grid camping cozy, while an optional rooftop tent adds space for 2 more adventurers. Priced at roughly €15,000 for the base van, the Dokker undercuts rivals by thousands, making van life accessible without sacrificing functionality. On the road, the Dokker is a joy. The 1.3 TCE's torque makes overtaking effortless, and the gearbox is precise with well-spaced ratios. It's not a sports car. Expect some body roll in corners, but the elevated driving position and light steering make it a breeze in tight spaces. Safety features like blind spot monitoring, hill start assist, and automatic climate control add confidence, though the lack of advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control reminds you of its budget roots. So, what's the secret I teased earlier? The 2025 Dokker is testing a 4x4 variant, a first for the model. Rumors suggest a rugged all-wheel drive version with increased ground clearance, designed for off-road campers and adventurers. If Dacia brings this to market, it could disrupt the compact camper segment, offering unmatched versatility for under €35,000. Picture a bright rainbow Dokker tackling forest trails or beachside campsites. Budget doesn't get more badass than that. The 2025 Dacia Dokker in bright rainbow is a practical, affordable, and unexpectedly stylish van that's ready for anything: work, family, or the open road. It's proof you don't need a big budget to live large. If this vibrant van has you dreaming of adventure, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more automotive deep dives. Share this with your fellow road trippers, and tell us in the comments, would you go for the bright rainbow look or the 4x4 camper potential? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next journey. https://www.motor1.com/news/739-519/Dacia-Dokker-2025-render. https://cars2w.com/2026-Dacia-Dokker-camper-van. https://cars2wd.com/2026-Dacia-Dokker-4x4-camper-van.